Ever wondered how sound pollution affects marine life? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the hidden dangers of our noisy oceans. Marine creatures rely heavily on sound for communication, navigation, and hunting. But human activities are creating a cacophony underwater. Sonar, shipping, and industrial activities are the main culprits. This noise pollution disrupts their natural behaviors. Whales and dolphins get disoriented and might strand themselves. Fish populations decrease due to stressed environments. Coral reefs, vital to ocean health, are also affected. Sound pollution causes these delicate ecosystems to break down. The silence underwater is more critical than we think. Let's be more mindful of our impact on marine life. Hit the like button if you found this important. And don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content.